Welcome, everyone! Today we're embarking on a fun, energizing journey to boost our flexibility and agility through yoga. Let's get moving, have some fun, and enjoy this playful adventure together.
Come on, friend, let's start today. Move together, laugh and play. Hand in hand, side by side, with a smile and lots of pride. Stretch up high and touch the sky. Wave hello as birds fly by. Partner yoga, 1, 2, 3. Moving happy, wild and free. Balance, breathe, and smile so bright. Everything will feel just right. Together strong, together grow. Friendship helps our hearts to glow. Hold my hands, don't let go. Nice and gentle, soft and slow. Then together, count to 10. Stand up tall and smile again. Left and right, twist around. Happy feet upon the ground. Partner yoga, clap your hands. Welcome to our yoga land. Stretch together, reach the sky. Watch the fluffy clouds float by. Breathe in deep, breathe out slow. Healthy bodies start to glow. Tree pose, standing nice and tall, helping each other never fall. Butterfly wings flap with cheer. Best yoga friends are always near. High five, laugh, jump with joy. Every girl and every boy strong together, kind each day, helping friends along the way. Every smile is shining bright, making every moment light. Step by step and pose by pose, friendship blooms just like a rose. Partner yoga, sing along. Moving makes our bodies strong. Stretch and balance, laugh and play. Happy hearts all through the day. One more hug before we go. See you next time. Smile.